Hi, Red Hawks. Welcome back to MHS News. I'm James Kaskie.
And I'm Melanie Koss. This is MHS News for Friday, October 24th.
Topping our news, open house is happening Sunday. Marist will be buzzing with energy as families, students, and teachers come through and celebrate all that Marist has to offer.
Students will be giving tours to prospective families who are deciding where to go to high school. Get ready to meet all the cool teachers and learn more about our classes.
Our amazing girls tennis team left to go to state yesterday. Girls that qualified are Molly Haynes, Natalie Bridgman, Elsa Koch, Melanie Koss, and Claire Neely. Wish them luck. More on that in sports.
Next week is Picture Day. MHS News reporter Jacob DeVries has more.
I'm here with Miss Hoffmann talking about Picture Day.
Hi.
Hello.
Hello.
What are any tips you have for the night before Picture Day?
Oh, tips for the night before. Well, make sure you get a good night's sleep. Maybe get a haircut, boys definitely be nice and shaven. It is going to be in school uniform, so you might want to iron your shirt or pick your favorite crew to wear. And I would definitely take your ID off, so that's not in the picture. And also the day of the picture, it is Monday through Thursday next week. It will be taken during your lunch period. And it is going to be alphabetical, so the line is not long. So Monday, if your last name is A through F, you'll be on Monday. G through L, Tuesday, M through S, Wednesday, and Thursdays, T through Z. If by any chance you miss any of those days, just make sure you go on any of the days. You don't want to be not in the yearbook. You will be very sad to not have your picture in that yearbook. So it's really important to go. And it is required for all students, freshmen, sophomore, and juniors, to take a new picture every year.
That is it with the yearbook. I'm Jacob DeVries with MHS News.
Students proudly gathered Monday right for NHS introduction ceremony, celebrating academic excellence, leadership, and character. New students were officially welcomed into NHS, marking the start of their journey to make a positive impact on our school and community.
Senior girls returned from Kairos tonight. They have been away for the past 3 days on retreat. We have been praying for them and welcoming them back.
Now let's get an update on Marist sports.
I'm at Dougherty with a look at sports. The Red Hawk football team plays the Notre Dame Dons tonight out at Notre Dame. The team is fighting for a chance to make the IHSA state playoffs. As mentioned, our girls varsity tennis will be competing at state today and tomorrow. The boys and girls cross-country teams will compete at the IHSA regional competition this Saturday. Our girls volleyball team had a great win on Wednesday, defeating Carmel Catholic for their senior night. They are looking forward to the IHSA playoffs. That's all for sports. Now let's get a check on our weather.
Over the next few days, it's going to be pretty chilly, so make sure you bundle up for the cold chills. Today, the high is 55 degrees with a little to no wind. It will be very sunny and no rain, so make sure to go outside while you can. Tonight, the temperature will slowly decrease until we reach the low of 36 degrees, so make sure to stay in bed. Tomorrow, the high will be 55 degrees and will be cloudy with the sun barely poking through. The low will be 37 degrees and later that night. I'm Katelyn Drzayich with a look at weather. Now back to the desk.
You know how there's open house this week? Are you doing anything in it?
Yeah, I'm actually giving tours around the school. How about you?
I am doing the same thing. I'm James Kaskie.
And I'm Melanie Koss. Fry High Red Hawks.